We're going to start by going to ante.xyz. And from here, we're going to click on the community test repository. Inside the community test repository, we're going to click fork repo. This way we can get it into our own GitHub. Once here, we're going to click clone using Github Desktop. In Github Desktop, we're going to insert it into the default repository location, which is in the full documents folder and GitHub folder within there. Once we go there, we're going to clone the branch and go into the folder that was created and copy the env.example file into a standalone .env file. This way you can import your keys that are used in Infura, Alchemy, and Etherscan. Once that's done, we can install npm using the MacOS installer. To check that it's installed correctly, type npm -- version and it should sum up with the version number. Then we will go into the repository that we had just cloned and run the command npm install to install all the necessary packages. Check that hardhat was installed correctly by running npx hardhat, and the options should show up afterwards. Once that's completed, we're going to go and check the branch they're on and change it to the demo branch, which will have a shorter version of all the tests that are compiled in the repository. In there, we're going to run npm run tests and make sure everything is running smoothly. And once that's completed, then you'll know that your repository is ready for writing anti-tests.